Today, I will talk about two exams, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner versus AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. So what is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam? The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam is intended for individuals who can effectively demonstrate overall knowledge of the AWS cloud, independent of a specific job role. The exam validates a candidate's ability to complete the following tasks. First, it explains the value of the AWS cloud. Second, understand and explain the AWS shared responsibility model. Third, understand security best practices. Then, understand AWS cloud costs, economics, and billing practices. Next, describe and position the core AWS services, including compute, network, database, and storage services. Lastly, identify AWS services for common use cases. For whom is the exam? The target candidate has up to 6 months of exposure to AWS cloud design, implementation, and/or operations. This certification is ideal for candidates from non-IT backgrounds. These candidates might be in the early stages of pursuing an AWS. This is AWS recommendation. Cloud career might work with people in AWS cloud roles. And my opinion is candidate can be a computer science student, an IT manager who wants to expand their knowledge in the cloud computing area, or even an IT enthusiast who wants to gain basic knowledge about cutting-edge technologies. What is the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate? The AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam is intended for individuals who perform a solutions architect role. The exam validates a candidate's ability to design solutions based on the AWS well-architected framework. The exam also validates a candidate's ability to complete the following tasks, such as design solutions that incorporate AWS services to meet current business requirements and future projected needs. Design architectures that are secure, resilient, high-performing, and cost-optimized. And review existing solutions and determine improvements. For whom is this exam? For AWS recommendation, the target candidate should have at least 1 year of hands-on experience designing cloud solutions that use AWS services. My opinion is that the candidate can be a computer science student, engineer who wants to switch careers to cloud computing, or an IT enthusiast who wants to gain knowledge about cutting-edge technologies. Can I get my first cloud computing job with one of these certificates even though I have no IT-related studies or IT experience? Honestly, it's unlikely. If you have no IT experience, you must make more effort and pass 2 to 3 cloud computing associate level exams. If I am a student with a limited budget for the exam fee, which certificate is better to have? In my opinion, it is best you take the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. I hope this session has been enlightening. I'm keen to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you might have. Drop your comments below, and let's engage in a meaningful discussion about the future of IT. Thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing.